Second half of the pack opening. Let's do this. Bronzy. Probably do it till 2000 to open silver ones. So we're getting some pulls. Some good ones actually. Alright, that Bronzy again. And at 2000 we'll open some silver packs. So that'll be good. Alright, so last Bronzy. And now I'm gonna do 2 silvers. Let's do this. 1000. Got a small forward, but we do not need them. We'll keep them so if we run out of renewals for the other dude, but we really do not need them, so let's do this. So let's go to our team, and this is our squad. Let's upgrade this guy. Put his shot up. 75 overall. I'm gonna put a shot up again. Now it's 78. Alright. So yeah guys. Let's go to my cards. We got 216 players. We got a lot of players we can keep. Add skills. We got a lot of these we can add. Skill boost. Wait. Hold up. Okay. Then big impacts. We always need these. So yeah guys. Second episode coming out soon. Peace. I mean third. Wait. Fourth? Yeah, I'll do 2 separate episodes for both pack openings. So peace.